Dear students, in previous video I have explained one of the important concept of determinants, that is inverse of a matrix. Now in this video I am going to be explaining one more important concept of determinants, that is Cramer's rule. Firstly we will see what is the use of Cramer's rule. See, Cramer's rule we are using to solve the system of linear equations. Linear equations means the equation is of the form ax plus by is equals to c, that we'll call it as linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation means one or more linear equations together, we'll call it as simultaneous linear equations. Here to solve simultaneous linear equations we'll use Cramer's rule. That is, you consider two equations, that is ax plus by is equals to c, a1x b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. These are two linear equations. To solve x and y value, first you consider delta. See, this delta is a coefficient of x and y variable. Coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1. Here coefficient of x is a2, coefficient of y is b2. Simplification of this determinant is product of diagonal elements minus product of other diagonal elements, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Again you consider delta 1. See, in delta there are two columns are there. In the two columns you replace first column by after equal constant values. Here after equal constant values are c1 and c2. You replace a1 and a2 by c1 c2, c1 c2, b1 b2 as it is. Simplification of this determinant is c1 b2 minus c2 b1. Again you consider delta 2. See, in delta, see, first to get delta 1 have replaced first column by c1 c2. To get delta 2, you replace the second column by c1 c2. While replacing second column, first column elements as it is, a1 a2 as it is. Replace second column elements by c1 c2. This is equals to a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Now therefore x is equals to delta 1 divided by delta, y is equals to delta 2 divided by delta. This is for two variables. If you consider three variables means a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to d3. Here there are three variables they have given. You consider delta is coefficients of xyz. X coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1, z coefficient is c1. Again in second equation a2 b2 c2. In third equation a3 b3 c3. This is delta. See, to get delta 1 you replace first column by after equal constant values. After equal constant values are d1 d2 d3. Here I am replacing first column, second column and third column as it is. To get delta 2 you replace second column. Second column is first and third as it is. First column and third column as it is. You replace second column by this constant values d1 d2 d3. Then delta 3 is equals to replace third column by d1 d2 d3, that is first column and second column as it is, a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 as it is. Replace third column by d1 d2 d3, d1 d2 d3. See, in previous video I have explained simplification of 3 cross 3 determinant. Apply same condition here. You simplify values of delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Then we'll get x is equals to delta 1 by delta, y is equals to delta 2 by delta, z is equals to delta 3 by delta. Now let's see examples on Cramer's rule. First one is 2x plus 5y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 7. These are two linear equations with two variables. First you consider delta. Delta is equals to coefficients of x and y variables. In first equation, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 5. In second equation, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 2. This is delta. Delta 1. Replace first column by after equal constant values. Here constant values 1 and 7. Replace 1, 7, 5, 2. To get delta 2, first column as it is 2 and 3. Replace second column by 1 and 7. Simplification. 2 2s are 4, minus 3 5s are 15. 4 minus 15 is minus 11. 1 2s are 2, minus 7 5s are 35. 2 minus 35 is minus 33. 2 sevens are 14, minus 3 ones are 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. Therefore, x is equals to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 value is minus 33 divided by minus 11. Minus minus get cancelled. 11 ones are 11 threes are. X is equals to 3. Y is equals to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 11. 11 divided by minus 11. 11 11 get cancelled. See, 1 divided by minus 1 value is minus 1. Therefore, x is 3, y is minus 1. Next example. 4x minus 3y equal to 3. 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Here, delta is equals to 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. X coefficient is 4, y coefficient is minus 3, x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is minus 5. Delta 1 is equals to replace first column by 3 7. 3 7 minus 3 minus 5. Delta 2 is equals to replace by second column 4 3 as it is first column. Then minus 3 and minus 5 by you replace 3 and 7. It is equal to 4 into minus 5 is minus 20 minus, because while reverse multiplication we have to take minus. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 20 plus 9 is minus 11. Delta 1. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 minus 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 15 plus 21 is equals to 7 4s are 28 minus 3 3s are 9. 28 minus 9 is 19. Minus 15 plus 21 is 6. Therefore, x is equals to delta 1 by delta, that is 6 divided by minus 11, that is minus 6 by 11. Y is equals to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 19. 19 by minus 11 is minus 19 by 11. Problem. 3x plus y plus z is equals to 3. 2x plus 2y plus 5z is equals to minus 1. X minus 3y minus 4z is equals to 2. First you consider delta. Delta is equals to coefficients of x, y, z. X coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 2, here y coefficient is 2, z coefficient is 5, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 3, z coefficient is minus 4. This is delta. Next you consider delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta 1 is equals to replace first column by after equal constant values. Constant values are 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2. In delta 2 you replace by second column 3 minus 1 2. In delta 3 you replace by third column 3 minus 1 2. See here, if you replace by first column, second column and third column as it is. If you replace second column by after equal constant values means first column and third column as it is. First column and third column is as it is. Next in delta 3 we replace third column, first column and second column as it is. 3 2 1 1 2 minus 3 as it is. See, in delta 1 we are replacing by first column, in delta 2 we are replacing by second column, in delta 3 we are replacing by third column. If we replace first column, remaining second and third as it is. If we replace second column, first and third as it is. If we replace third column, first and second column elements as it is, like delta. Now simplification, delta is equals to, first you consider 3, delete first row first column. If you delete first row first column, remaining elements are 2 5 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 into delete first row second column, remaining 2 5 1 minus 4 plus 1 into delete first row third column, 2 2 1 minus 3. Simplification, 3 into 2 minus 8 minus of minus 15 minus 1 into 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 minus 2. It is equal to, minus into minus is plus 15 plus 15 minus 8 plus 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 3 is 21. Minus 8 minus 5. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 1 is plus 13. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 8 into plus 1 is minus 8 into plus 1 is minus 8. 21 plus 13. 21 plus 13 is 34. 34 minus 8 is 26. Delta is equals to 26. Next, delta 1 value. Now consider 3. Delete first row first column. Remaining 2 5 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 into delete first row second column, minus 1 5 2 minus 4 plus 1 into delete first row third column, minus 1 2 2 minus 3. Simplification, 3 into 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 minus of minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 minus into minus is plus 1 4s are 4 minus 2 5s are 10 plus 1 into minus into minus is plus 1 3s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 15 minus into minus 15 is plus 15 plus 15 into minus 8 is 7 7 3s are 21. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. Delta 1 value. Next, delta 2 value. 3 into delete first row first column, minus 1 5 2 minus 4 minus 3 into delete first row second column, remaining 2 5 1 minus 4 plus 1 into delete first row third column, 2 minus 1 1 2. See, while solving determinant, first you have to consider signs plus minus plus, then elements 3 3 1 plus, first one is plus 3, second one is minus 3, third one is plus 1. Then delete first row first column, you will get minus 1 5 2 minus 4. Delete first row second column, 2 5 1 minus 4. Delete first row third column, 2 minus 1 1 2. Simplification, 3 into minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 minus 2 5s are 10 minus 3 into 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 2s are 4 minus of minus 1. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. Minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 13 3s are 39. Minus into minus is plus. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 18 as it is. 39 plus 5 is 44. 44 minus 18 is 26. Delta 2 is equals to 26. Next one, delta 4. Delta 3. Delta 3 is equals to, delete first row first column, you'll get 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 into delete first row second column, 2 minus 1 1 2 plus 3 into delete first row third column, 2 2 1 minus 3. Now 3 into 2 2s are 4, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, minus 1 into 2 2s are 4, minus of minus 1, plus 3 into 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 2. 3 into 4 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, minus into minus is plus, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 5, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, minus 8 into 3 is 24, 3 as it is, minus 24 minus 5 is minus 29, 3 minus minus 29 is minus 26. This is value of delta 3. Therefore, x is equals to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 value is 26. Delta value is 26. 26 get cancelled 1. Y is equals to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 26. Divided by delta value is 26. It is also 1. Z is equals to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 value is minus 26 divided by 26. 26 get cancelled, minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, z is equals to minus 1. Hence the solution. Next method, solution of linear system of equations using matrix method. Using Cramer's rule also we calculated solution of system of linear equations. Now using matrix method also we can find solution of system of linear equation. Matrix method. Matrix method means first you consider system of linear equations. a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. See here, to find values of x and y, first you consider given system of equations is of the form ax is equals to b. See here, a means coefficients of xy's. Coefficient of xy is a1 b1, a2 b2, and x is variables xy, b is constant values. After equal, constant values are c1 and c2. See, first you have to consider given system of equations is of the form ax is equals to b, where a is coefficients of x and y variable, x is variables, b is after equal constant values. Here we have to find x and y. To find x and y, see here they have given ax is equals to b. Now here you simplify x term. See, x is equals to a inverse into b. X as it is, a inverse x is equals to a inverse into b. X is equals to a inverse formula is adjoint of a divided by determinant of a into b matrix as it is. See, 5x plus 2y is equals to 4, 7x plus 3y is equals to 5. Solve by using matrix method. We have to solve x and y value by using matrix method. See, first you consider given equations is of the form ax is equals to p. This implies x is equals to a inverse into b. A inverse formula is adjoint of a divided by determinant of a into b. Here determinant of a is not equal to 0. First we have to find adjoint of a and determinant of a value. For that you consider a matrix. A is equals to coefficients of x and y. Coefficient of x is 5, y is 2, here x is 7, y is 3. X is equals to x comma y and b is equals to 4 and 5. Now to find adjoint of a, first we have to find cofactor matrix, that is a11, a12, a21, a22. a11 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, m11, delete first row first column, will get 3 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 value is plus 1, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, delete first row, second column, first row, second column, remaining 7. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 to the power of 3 value is minus 1, minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, delete second row, first column, second row, first column, second row, first column, remaining 2. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. This minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, 3 value is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2. Delete second row, second column, 5. Minus 1 to the power of 4. 4 value is 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Therefore, cofactor matrix is 3 minus 7 minus 2, 5. Then adjoint of A is take transpose of cofactor matrix, means transpose of cofactor matrix means change rows into columns or columns into rows, that is 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. This is adjoint of a matrix. Now consider x is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of K into B. See, here I have calculated adjoint of K. Still I have to calculate determinant of K. Determinant of K is equals to A matrix is 5 2 7 3. That is determinant of 5 2 7 3. 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Now adjoint of K value is 3 minus 2 minus 7 5 divided by determinant value is 1 into B. B matrix is 4 5. 4 5. Now divide each element of adjoint of A divided by 1. That is 3 by 1 is 3. Minus 2 by 1 is 2 minus 2. Minus 7 by 1 is minus 7. 5 by 1 is 5 into 4 5. Matrix multiplication, rows into columns. 3 into 12, 4 is 12. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. Plus 5 5 is 25. Minus 12 plus 10 is 2. Minus 28 plus 25 is 3. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Y is equals to 3. This is by using matrix method. Let's see one more example. 4x minus 3y is equals to 3. 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. Here, given system of equations is of the form Ax is equals to B. This implies x is equals to A inverse into B. A inverse value is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Now we have to find adjoint of A, determinant of A and B. For that you consider A is coefficients of xy. X coefficient is 4, y coefficient is minus 3. Here x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is minus 5. And given variables are x and y and constant values are 3 and 7, that is B value. Now determinant of A value. Determinant of A is 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus 20 plus 9, that is minus 11. Determinant of K value. Now adjoint of K. To find adjoint of K, first we have to find cofactor A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 sign is will get plus, that is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2. See, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 value is plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 3 value is minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 3 value is minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 4 value is plus 1, minus 1 to the power of even numbers value is plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of odd powers is minus 1. See, now delete first row, first column. Delete first row, first column. Remaining is minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Delete first row, second column. First row, second column, 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Delete second row, first column. Second row, first column. Remaining minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Delete second row, second column. Remaining 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Therefore, cofactor matrix is equals to minus 5, minus 3, 3, 4. Therefore, adjoint of A is change rows into columns in cofactor matrix, that is minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4. Now, x is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Adjoint of A is minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4 divided by determinant of A value is minus 11 into B value is 3, 7. Minus 5, 3 minus 3, 4 is adjoint value. B value is 3, 7. Determinant of value is minus 11. This we can also write minus 1 divided by 11 into minus 5, 3 minus 3, 4 into 3, 7. This is equals to minus 1 by 11 as it is. Matrix multiplication of these two, that is minus 5 into 3 minus 15 plus 3 7s are 21 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 4 7s are 28. Minus 1 divided by 11 minus 15 plus 21 is 6. Minus 9 plus 28 is 19. Therefore, minus 1 divided by 11 into 6 is minus 6 by 11. Minus 1 divided by 11 into 19 is minus 19 divided by 11. Therefore, x value is minus 6 by 11, y value is minus 19 by 11. Problem, x plus y plus z is equals to 7, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 17, 4x plus 9y plus z is equals to 37. Solved by matrix method. To solve by matrix method, first you consider the given equations is of the form Ax is equals to b. This implies x is equals to A inverse into b. A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into b. First we have to find adjoint of A, determinant of A value. First you consider A. A is equals to coefficients of x, y, z. X coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient is 2, y is 3, z is 2. Here x coefficient is 4, y coefficient is 9, z coefficient is 1. And b is equals to 7, 17, 37. And c is x is equals to x, y, z. Now consider determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 9, 1. 1 into delete first row, first column, we will get 3, 2, 9, 1. 3 1s are 3, minus 9 2s are 18. Minus 1 into delete first row, second column, 2, 2, 4, 1. 2 1s are 2, minus 4 2s are 8. Plus 1 into delete first row, third column, 9 2s are 18, minus 4 3s are 12. 1 into 3 minus 18 is minus 15. Minus 15 into 1 is minus 15. Minus 8, 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. 18 minus 12 is plus 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Minus 15 plus 12. Minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. Determinant of A value is minus 3. Now you have to find adjoint. To find adjoint, first we have to calculate A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. See, you already know how to solve A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. After calculation of all these values, we have to write cofactor matrix. See here I am writing directly cofactor matrix. Minus 15, 6, 6, 8, minus 3, minus 5, minus 1, 0, 1. This is cofactor matrix. If you simplify all these 9 elements, you will get this matrix. Take transpose of this matrix. Adjoint of A is equals to minus 15, 6, 6, 8, minus 3, minus 5, minus 1, 0, 1. Now substitute these values in here. We'll get x is equals to adjoint of A. Adjoint of A value is minus 15, 8, minus 1, 6, minus 3, 0, 6, minus 5, 1. Divided by determinant value is minus 3 into B value is 7, 17, 37. Now this we can also write 1 divided by minus 3 into minus 15, 8, minus 1, 6, minus 3, 0, 6, minus 5, 1 into 7, 17, 37. Now matrix multiplication 1 by minus 3 as it is. 1 by minus 3 as it is. First row, first column, minus 15 into 7 is minus 105 plus 8 into 17 is 136 minus 1 into 37 is minus 37. Here there is no other column, will not get any other columns. Okay. Next second row, first column 6 sevens are 42. Minus 3 into 17 is minus 51 plus 0 into 37 is 0. 6 into 7 is 42. Minus 5 into 17 is minus 85 plus 1 into 37 is 37. Now 1 by minus 3 as it is. Minus 105 plus 136 minus 37 is minus 6. 42 minus 51 is minus 9. 42 minus 85 plus 37 is minus 6. This is equals to 1 by minus 3 into minus 6 is minus 6 by minus 3. 1 by minus 3 into minus 9 is minus 9 by minus 3. 1 by minus 3 into minus 6 is minus 6 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancels. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore 2 3 2. Therefore x is equals to 3 2. X means x y z. Therefore x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, z is equals to 2. Hence the solution. In Cramer's rule I have given 5 problems. In matrix method I have given 3 problems. Solve these all problems in assignment book. Once revision classes get over, you have to submit your assignment. So everyone should solve these problems compulsory.